Bombshell information tonight coming out of Harrisburg's Broad Street Market board meeting.
On top of rising rent and delayed construction of that temporary tent, by the end of the month, the market could face closure. Ireland Viscount joins us now live with more. Ireland.
Valerie, Alicia, Broad Street Market vendors and community members packed the board meeting at the Historic Harrisburg Association, expressing their frustrations. After a 3-hour meeting with many questions asked and not a lot of answers, one thing is clear: the Broad Street Market is on the brink of closing.
It's hard to hear something like that and not ask so many more questions.
I want to reassure the community that I am 100% confident that between the board's efforts and the vendors' efforts, the market is going to remain open.
But the market board also acknowledges the market has been losing between $8,000 and $10,000 a month since the devastating fire in July. The destroyed part of the farmers market brought in 70% of the revenue.
Right now there's about $14,000 in the market's operational bank account. We've got a projected deficit over the next year of about $165,000.
It's enough money in the bank to cover one more month. The decision to raise the rent from $2.67 to $5.25 per square foot was based off the loss of revenue.
I'm feeling a little disheartened, honestly.
I think we all have a lot of mixed emotions. It was a lot of information, but I do think that there were some wins.
One win, the board deciding to suspend the decision to increase the rent. The board will try to find ways to cut costs elsewhere, including reaching out to its utility companies asking for help. During the meeting, someone from the city was present, but vendors expressed frustration about Mayor Wanda Williams not coming. So we reached out to the city. Harrisburg City's spokesperson says in part, there is no reason we should be discussing the possibility of the Broad Street Market closing. There were some good outside-of-the-box ideas discussed. So what about insurance money from the fire? The city spokesperson says they got $4.3 million, but it can only be spent on the temporary tent and rebuilding the damaged part of the market. The city says vendors should also have their own insurance. About that tender vents were supposed to be able to move into pretty quickly. It is still not operating, with no approved contractors so far for plumbing or electric. Ladies, back to you.